Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this Realme. First of all, you need to access device settings, then scroll down and choose additional settings. Now keyboard and input method and Gboard. Over here, click on theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Then select one of your images by tapping on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. When you're done, choose done and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. Lastly, choose apply, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!